we are seeing that in India, the maturity of the manufacturing is going on,
Yeah.
and we are working with the many Indian machine tool partners to sell similar kind of products so that we work together.
Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at UCAM stall and I'm here with Mr. Vijay sir. Thank you sir. Thank you for inviting us.
Hello,
Thank
thank
you.
you for covering during the Acme exhibition our stall.
So, sir,
Uh,
as we all know that UCAM is the biggest rotary table manufacturer in India and you are producing such high quality products which are meant for the world, right? It's a shining example of Make in India for the world. So what are your plans for exports
yeah,
right now?
see, the Make in India, the slogan has become very popular recently due to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. But UCAM is doing this from many years. In India, we have started our journey around 35 years back. We have made a market research and found that in India, the roti table that time used to be import. So we were not having a local solution. So we decided to come in that niche market area, and now we are established our brand in India. We are having the major market share around 60% in India. Now our idea is to go to around the world. So we have started our journey some 20, so around 10 years back, and our all the products are accepted, well accepted in Europe. We are selling in Europe, Middle East, South Korea, and China and US market. But major market is in Europe. And we have two types of product categories. One is the standard moving products, which is called the catalog product range. And another product range we have, which is dedicated to machine tool builder. Means while machine manufacture, 5-axis machine, they use our components. And that's how they make the 5-axis machine. Well, I'm very happy to tell that UCAM is a regular manufacture, makes the manufacturing of the products which European countries are buying from us continuously.
Okay.
So some products are like a cantilever product, which goes on the 3-axis VMC and make a 5-axis. Then we have table in table and tilting head. We are regularly supplying. Now we are seeing that in India, the maturity of the manufacturing is going on,
Yeah.
and we are working with the many Indian machine tool partners to sell similar kind of products so that we work together. So our products, CPR, means catalog range standard products, are well accepted in many parts of the world. So I request the people that we have already has our brand is established and people knows us. We are slowly starting our presence in Russia and various markets.
Fantastic.
So I am very happy to tell that our product is well, reliable and accepted in India, and I'm sure it will be addressed to the global market also
Definitely.
because of its quality, performance, and at affordable cost.
Right. So I think this is a great platform for you. MTD is a global platform where millions of people are watching you right now. So if you are looking for any channel partner or a sales partner in Europe or US or anywhere globally, I think it's a great platform. You can reach out to them.
Yeah. Hi guys, here is a product from India, a reliable product, well accepted in the industries, and we are in superior in the quality. And I'm sure by using our product, we have wide range of the products, and then this definitely will help to solve the problem of the customer, and definitely it will be at very attractive price, and we will give all the support whatever is required, technical and commercial. So I request to consider our product and make Indian flag high in the world market.
Great, sir. Thank you. This is great.
Yeah,
Awesome.
thank you.
Thank you.